Your brain dump just became a polished email. Here's the exact prompt. You know that feeling when you have something important to say, but it comes out as a mess? Like you're typing fast, thoughts are everywhere, you're half explaining, half venting, and by the end you've got this giant wall of text that you would never actually send to a real human being. Most people just sit there and rewrite it 4 times, getting increasingly annoyed at themselves. Here's what actually works instead. Open Claude AI. It's free, it's at claude.ai, and it's genuinely one of the best AI writing tools for exactly this kind of thing. Paste your rambling draft in there, all of it, the ugly version. And before you paste it, type this above it. Clean this up into a clear, professional message. Keep my tone, but make it polished. Remove anything repetitive. That's the whole prompt. Paste your mess underneath. Hit send. What comes back is almost always a little shocking the first time. Claude doesn't just fix spelling. It reads what you actually meant, not what you literally typed, and reorganizes it so the most important point lands first, the context follows naturally, and the whole thing reads like you wrote it on a calm Tuesday morning instead of a chaotic Thursday afternoon. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. The reason it works so well is because Claude is trained to understand intent. So even if your original message said the same thing 3 different ways, it picks the clearest one and cuts the rest. No weird robot phrasing, no stiff corporate language. It actually sounds like you. Just the version of you that had time to think. Try it with an email, a text to your landlord, a message to your boss, any of it. Messy thinking doesn't mean bad communication. It just means you needed a second pass. And now that second pass takes about 8 seconds. That prompt works on anything. Emails, Slack messages, awkward texts, all of it. Next video is about using Claude to reply to difficult messages when you genuinely don't know what to say. That one's worth sticking around for. If this helped, tap the like. It actually makes a difference.